Economic development means collectivity, it means listening to others, it promotes growth, and it promotes positive change in our environment and also in our globe.
Community-based organizations, Indigenous organizations, nonprofit organizations are so critical in the community because they have their feet on the ground doing the frontline work, supporting people one-on-one, having people's basic needs met.
I see a need in my own community, and I never thought that it could be me that could work with my community to help them. Yeah, it was very empowering.
I personally think that this is a field for me just because I want to work with people and I want to be a voice and an advocate for those who don't have a voice.
We talk a lot about walking alongside people, not behind them or in front of them, and really serving community because that's what community development is about.
This program is important to me because I see it making a difference. You want to do something in your community, but you don't know how. It's really helpful to just show you possibilities of what you can do.
There's an immense amount of healing that also comes from being able to help other people. I think it's critical that as Indigenous people, we're the leaders of our own future and we're giving power back to the folks that we're working with. We need to be putting our people in these positions so that we're supporting our people in the best way that we can.